A father asked his son, "Diamond or intelligence?" The boy said, "Diamond." The father was shocked. "Son, you should choose intelligence," he insisted. But the boy smiled and said, "Dad, everyone picks what they're missing." The father froze. His mouth opened. His eyes widened. Did his son just call him stupid? The room went silent. The father looked at his son. The son looked at his father. Let me take you back to where this comedy disaster started. It was Sunday morning. Mike, a famous comedian, was having breakfast with his 12-year-old son, Danny. Mike loved teaching life lessons. He thought he was the wisest father in the world. "Danny," Mike said with a serious face, "I want to teach you something important today." Danny was eating cereal. He looked up. "Okay, Dad, what is it?" Mike smiled. This was his favorite part of being a father, the teaching moments. "Son, imagine someone offers you two things. A huge diamond worth millions of dollars." Mike paused for drama. Or intelligence, the smartest brain in the world. Which one? Danny put down his spoon. He thought for exactly 2 seconds. "The diamond, Dad." Mike nearly choked on his coffee. "What? No. You're supposed to say intelligence." "But Dad, I want the diamond," Danny said calmly, eating his cereal again. Mike stood up from his chair. This was not going according to plan. Not at all. "Danny, listen to me. Intelligence is more valuable than any diamond. You can buy diamonds. With intelligence, you become successful. You solve problems. You change the world." Mike was now walking around the kitchen, giving a full motivational speech. A diamond is just a stone. But intelligence, that's power. That's the real treasure. A diamond is just a stone. But intelligence, that's power. That's the real treasure. "Dad," Danny said softly, "everyone chooses what they're missing in their life." Time stopped. The clock on the wall seemed to freeze. Birds outside stopped singing. Mike's brain was processing what just happened. Wait, what did Danny just say? Danny was saying he would choose the diamond because he wasn't missing intelligence. Which meant that Mike, the father, should choose intelligence because, because Mike was missing intelligence. His own son just called him stupid. Mike's mouth opened, but no words came out. He pointed at Danny. Still, no words. "Danny," Mike finally whispered, Did you just call me not smart?" Danny looked up with the most innocent eyes. "No, Dad. I just answered your question." "You said everyone picks what they're missing." Mike's voice was getting higher and higher. "Yes, Dad, that's true." Danny went back to eating his cereal like nothing happened. Mike sat down slowly. His whole life philosophy just got destroyed by a 12-year-old. "I'm a comedian," Mike said to himself. "I'm supposed to be clever. I tell jokes for a living." Danny smiled. "Dad, don't worry. I learned that answer from watching your comedy shows." "Oh, really?" Mike said, not sure if that made things better or worse. "Yes! You always say, be smart with your words. Words have power. Think before you speak." Mike realized something horrible. His son had used Mike's own advice against him. Danny had thought before speaking. He had been smart with his words. Very smart. "So you're telling me," Mike said slowly, That I taught you to roast your own father? Roast? No, Dad, I just gave you the truth. You always say, truth is important. Mike put his head in his hands. Every lesson he taught was now a weapon against him. That night, Mike went to his comedy show. He told this whole story on stage. The audience laughed so hard that people were crying. It became his most famous joke. But every time Mike told that joke, he remembered his son was smarter than him. And Danny, he was at home, probably thinking of his next clever comeback. Watch out, Mike. If you absolutely loved this story and want more hilarious English lessons like this one, hit that subscribe button right now. Share this with someone who needs a good laugh today.